So welcome back. We're going to continue working on percent word problems. There are a lot of different variations of word problems, so I want to do quite a few examples with you to try to give you a good idea that a lot of different ways, but the same strategy can be effective. So let's look at this word problem here. A local university had a total of 6,600 students enrolled in math courses. If the number enrolled in the math courses represents 55% of the total student body, how many students are enrolled in the university? So again, in solving a word problem, we always want to identify the question. And you can underline that. So how many students are enrolled in the university? That's what we're looking for. It does have a theme of percent in it. We see that percent in there. So this could be a good possibility if it fits our roles here. So see if we can identify the given. So we're given 6,600 students enrolled in math courses. And notice that the math courses does not represent the whole student body. That's only a part of the student body. So 6,600 is going to represent the part that are at the university. So we have the part that we know, and that's going to be the 6,600 students that took the math courses. The other thing that's pretty clear is 55% is our percent. So the percent is 55%. So what we're asked to find again is how many are enrolled in the university. And again, that's the total student body. So that implies the whole university. So we don't know the whole in this problem. So what we're looking for is the whole, which since that's what we're looking for, we can use the letter X to represent that. So we know what we're given, we know what we're looking for. Now we're going to use this setup. So the percent goes over 100. So I have 55 goes over 100. The part is in the top, so 6,600 goes in the top. And we don't know what the whole is this time. So when we solve this, we are allowed again to cross multiply. So again, I like the diagonal that has the 55 and the x there. I'll put that first. So 55x. And you are multiplying by 100. And remember, when you multiply by 100, that just simply means to add on 2 zeros, since that's a whole number. So it's going to be 6600, and stick on 2 more zeros. So it looks like that's going to be 660,000. And then this is telling us that if I want to find x, since these are related multiplication, I'm allowed to work backwards and use division to find the result. So x is going to equal then 660,000 divided by 55. And again, I'm going to go ahead and use a calculator for that. So we have 660,000, and we want to divide that by 55. And end up with 12,000. So 12,000 becomes our value here. So we recognize that 55% is a little over half. So the answer should be somewhere around that then. That makes sense to us here. So 12,000 students are attending the campus. So therefore, 12,000 students are enrolled in the university. So hopefully that will help you out again. So notice how again we identified what we're looking for. We also search out that important information to solve the problem. We then, again, identify what we're looking for, which was the total. We got our setup, we solve it, and then we draw our conclusion. So it has that kind of pathway. So you want to try to practice it that way as well. Find what you're looking for, identify the important information, identify that information, and then work on your setup. If you use all that information, you'll have some success. So stay tuned.